Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Jing don jong ki jaka pule ki ba ai jing pentben ye ki samla pule ha ki benta ba pher ha ga ni ga jilla meghalaya kala long shisha ka jingker khu ka ba kraw ye ki samla kham tam ye ki to ki bada ang not shisha ban sha pentben shosho khnang ba kindub la pan ban pendon kam hok ya ka jing hikai ba kilayo ka wei na ki ba kum kita ki jaka pule kadai ke Sipsing Memorial Higher Secondary School kabadon hakasnong nong pendeng kabalong kasnong kabadon markhap bat kasor Nongstoiñ bat kani ka school kadon ru ya ki vocational stream ha ka electronics na kabenta ki samla pule nagani ka shlam pule lami uwei usamla don sap ya ubalatip karteng kumu wantay scam dekar ubasyong basa hapo kasnong nong pendeng ubala penwandur hi naladi ya ka wei ka jaka bo jingsat kiti ka ba ula Shna da usi lembat kitiar electronics ya kani ka jaka bo jingsat kiti la khodru kum ka automatic sanitizers dispensing machine ha ka ba ki breu kim don kamshu banda khnyot da ka kiti lani yu da ka kjan henrei kin shu diang da ka kiti bat ka dawai sat kiti kala shu mi hi But yakani ka machine anhap ban pendon kamru ling baka boarding electric lani daki battery. Nalor usit uni usamla harengkat bat ka kinhon nagani ka jaka puli kila Shnaru ya kini ki jingbo dawai sakti da unar bat ka ding bat hadu menta kilala bat penya yo malumala yakini ki automatic sanitizer dispensing machine ha ki office sarkar kenthop ru sha ki katto katne ki rew shimen
kalang bani kong yu i hakwe ki bar jela batu bari yu i ba kila ban Shna kum kini ki jat Shna te ba dia plan kaptal kum ketiem ne plan ba namar dia i ba sending pedan ki automatic hand sanitizer Tengah plan kum ketiam untuk sebenai arnai pada ubnai April ngasa pupus kene berkarang sih. Ni Shna kaburin plan nangta kawan saka bambu bat saka steel. Dekaba kaji kabam kampung Islam kabambu namar ngabuat syang ngaban atat ngil gidi bat kujul ngaban research. Pertama itu kalau usap macam 9 volt adapter outlet purifier sensor kawan kuntu ngap pekat ba kam bahaya ngaban Shna kanwan hi dekat idea ka jonga hi Teka kampha yang aban Shna de Siej bukan long price ke long kamduna ba itu ke laban athi de ka steel kemudian pelang ke laban thi de ka stick male long redor ka hati long kumba tang arsi itu kasyong haka jeng tu ka silikon kalau kamu ke silikon apan kam upgrade kende nalor ka light ngila apan upgrade dari battery ngila apan bu dari rechargeable battery kum pencil battery itu ya ka bamata tel dan kumba totally gitu ka ngila dabdi te office kelong ka office PHE ka motion road block DC office kaying haying juga mele nanta kita untuk resume kuatir but saya selong tengah tip nomor bang habra disa yang mentabing hapan sim order semua mar kalong kamsuk ini bantu record nadan gejeng tenu ban snahi ina mar takaba ngel kan project kalong ai mesin ini bat pen ketik mesin ini bangin la ban ti jeliu antang kan ikut project sendai begitu pergi jengkel
project ketika mini project kebai sabayo I hak syati siapa RMSA proposal job ini kan kerja kapo hau penai April no April di hak syati siapa RMSA dan kawan telefon call ya Wednesday umpa nak ada kiwa propose ketika mini project apa kalau very encouraging nak pencakan ini pandemik kan nama tu nak tu apa sedang kan ini 2020 na April sedang kan ini pandemik kan the teacher along with the students more with a team of students they nak electronic stream nak vocational stream kita electronics kila ya lang but isa mo under his leadership bakin Shna kan automatic sanitizing machine. We'll make use of some of the materials that are easily available and ki nabotaban bu ya kutuka sanitizing kutuka I mean that liquid kipindan kam kini ki ite kini ki bottle kini ki waste bottles di water bottles cut into and then like kibu have to go machine and even me I didn't know more that it will come out such a it will be very successful. Initially when the phone call came to me phone ang tayo po RMSA ang mga project kila approve and they are very impressed with the project, the automatic sanitizing machine. And ngaru hampir ya baka project kila ada pasha tayo teman dia kisah ini kena isa mo dia discuss in the again that brilliant idea came out, no? And it's really very like impressive from my side also. I'm impressed yeah, and then this boy, one of the from the team members, who runs the idea pada kata apart from that steel and wooden sanitizing machine, he got a new idea to make it with bamboo. And that also like it worked out more, and then like they started doing the work as a team, then to assemble all the needed materials, no, in order to make that machine. They give them a team ke, nak kejong. Kemudian le wiring nak kejong, le connection nak kejong. And one finding and it yang I was very impressed, because while doing that also they kept distance, and also at the same time they were using their masks. They were keeping all the protocols and then doing the work, and it was very minutely done also. That is how it came into being. From my side, someone who encouraged them, not much from my side, but the teachers who are involved, Sartras and Sarbayo especially, so they were the ones who had geared up the work. And kita example they have already gone out from the school. Maybe they will go out of the school, and then this boy is from class 11 that time, and some of them are there, but then he was working. He has more ideas than the rest. They on the wrong school. They encourage some more students, because this can be a medium of and they can get income, and they can stand in their own feet. Namarkan ni project kada mainly nak skill management. Kabaki nak use their skills, and then they can make use in order that they can generate income to stand in their own feet and not depend on any government job, which is quite a problem nowadays. No, that is why even me, I kept on encouraging them. Then some of the teachers really tip on that day bagi Iwan is a DCM, Iwan launching jangan mini project kan. They tip kita kena kairu nama they work as a team, and they work separately. No other students were involved except those students who are in the electronic stream. That is why this is how it came into being, and I feel that it is really very encouraging, because during these times, it's low cost, plus it has been made in such a way that it can be availed by people who don't have enough money to buy also, because the machines belong advance kamram ke machine Shna low cost, and at the same time it has really given them a lot of enthusiasm, in order that they will go on working and they will stand on their own feet. So that is what I can say from my side, and I am really thankful to the press also for coming and recognizing this activity of our children, and we look forward that they will continue to do this good work, and maybe they will shine in days to come.